Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about Python operators. So in Python we have many different operators. For example, arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiple, division and so on. An assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, and bitwise operators. Now we can do some exercise with this operator. Let's try it out. The link to this code is in the video description. Now let's try with some arithmetic operator. Let us assign values to x and y, F9. So now x plus y, let's try it out. Click here, F9, 7 minus is 3, x times y, 10, modulus, which is the remainder of division. So it's 1, and exponent is 25. X divided by y is 2.5, and floor division, which will round out to the nearest integer, which is 2 in this case. Assignment, so we assign 5 to x. X plus equals 2.0 is mean x equals x plus 2. So here, enter. Now let's see what is x. X is 7 now. Enter. Now what is x? X is back to 5, and this is x star equal to 2.0 is mean that x equal x times 2. Enter. What is x now? It's 10, and so on. And comparison, for example, we assign x equals 5.0 and e equals 2.0. Is x greater than y? True. False. True. Logical. So we have x is 5 and y is 2, x greater than 0, right? True, and y also greater than 0, so this should be true. And this should be true as well, but this should be false. And identity. We have two identity operators, for example, is and is not. So this operator check whether our two objects share the same memory location and refer to the same data types. For example, here we have both x and y equals to 5 and z equals to x. But is x is y? Let's here F9 false. This is because x and y were not stored in the same memory location despite the equals. ZX, yes, it's true. Now let's find the memory location of X, Y, and Z. Here you see that X and Z is stored in the same memory location. So Python is smart enough not to store X twice. Also, if, for example, A is here and B, C, A is C, true, but A is not B. And membership, for example, we have operator in and not in to check whether file in this list. F9, true, false, and for example, check whether A in a set or not. True. C in this set, also in this tuple, also true. Check if this key is in the key of a dict or not. In this case should be true, but if you convert this to 3, is no, false. Yeah, because we just have two keys, 1 and key 2, we don't have key 3. And bitwise operator, which is quite rarely used. Yes, 0 and 1. For more information about bitwise operator, please visit this website. And thanks for your interest in this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get update about my latest videos.